Hi guys, so today we are unboxing one material. So this is very quite common. Every house people, because every office, every house, we have this type of material. What is this? Because this is a summer time where we really looking into AC or any cooler or fan or something like that. But this is basically a material helpful for each and everyone. Mainly in office, just today I am unboxing the one fan. That is a fan from the company called Preeti Love. So Preeti, from that company we brought a wind air, the live more and air view, live more and wind air. So this is a fan with a standing fan. Not a wall fan or wall fixing fan or ceiling fan, no. This is entirely a stand fan where we can keep anywhere. It is movable from one place to another anytime and as per our choice. See, now today we have brought, first thing I will take out the material. This is a stand. I think motor. Yeah, this stands the pedestal that is there here. Here I will show you. This is a stands off portion. So where this is already fixed. This portion is already fixed to a pedestal. So where the pedestal adjustment is here. See, you can see clearly one adjustment has been done below the pedestal. And on the pedestal we have a bar. A bar always, once again, it is fixed for the motor. So this pedestal already we have fixed and we try to keep it here. Keep it here. Anywhere you can keep as per your choice, as per your comfort. And the next one is a part where the fan's motor is here. You can clearly visible. Fan's motor is here. You can see the back side of the motor also. This is aligned to the switchboard. Switchboard is very smart switchboard because this should be adjusted to this stand. So once we fix it to this stand, the switches are fully stable and as per the what we call the volume is raised, the air, what you call frequency, will be more. How many switches are there? 0. You can see clearly visible here. 0 switch means first switch is very fast, second switch is faster than the first, and the third is super fast. So this kind of 4 switches are here. As per the comfortability you can click in. So this goes to here. What we can do now, like this, evolve it. Evolve it, it will stay, it will be stable. So once the entire round is complete, it will stop. Then you can find that okay, this is stable here and it can be moved at any time. So now I have just several rounds I took, but I don't know, somehow it is not fixed still. But there is one adjuster here, adjuster switch in the volume type of one material is here. So what I do, I just fasten that. Still I think it is not see, this is the pedestal of the fan, and this pedestal, this one should be, this should go inside, and where we can just stick it to this and it will stay like this. And in between these two there is one small rod Usually when you take it out, you will feel that what exactly this, where this rod is, whether we have forgotten to bring or something like that, that feeling had come. This rod will completely go inside and there is a little top only is visible for us. So then what we have to do is this rod, just pull it out from the main pipe. It will come this much, and I think still it goes more, little more. So it will be like this, and where they have showed, you see here, this rod is this. So you have to remove entirely out, then this should be fixed on that particular and tighten it. Then goes this switch box and motor. Here it should be fixed here. It should be fixed here. Make it tight. Evolve it till you get it tightened on the pedestal. And after that, one pin will be available. I am showing you the pin. So this pin will go under the plate, this pedestal, and there we have to fix it, and it will join to this end. It will join to this end. So it will be like this, and it will stay on this particular nut, and you have to tighten it. And now I will remove again these two. I will show you here. Take the plate and fix it here. Yeah, next. Fix it here. Then this nut will go here inside. Just see it here clearly. This will go here, and this pipe, again this pipe will be on this nut. What you have to do is little make it up, and this particular pipe so turn it again and again, and until this get tightened to this particular circle. Hope it is now fixing into it, because it has almost ready, and see now it won't come out. And just put this plastic flap on this, and now this is ready. I think fully it should be ready and it should stand. You can see clearly, it is visible. See, you can fix this switchboard and the motor here, and there is one material here. Just tighten this material so that this switchboard and motor stably sit here and hold the fan correctly. But I am tightening it, but still it is not so tight. You can just see. Yeah, gentlemen, this is the one. See, you can clearly, it is visible now. It is fixed to that particular rod, and as per the need, you can little move up and move down. If it doesn't require, you can keep like this. See, you just press it, it will goes down, and just press little up, it will come. Now you can clearly see the steel pipe here, and these are the switchboard. And what is the next? The important thing, that is, what is this? This is a fan's outer part of the fan, and before that you can see here the front portion and back portion. It will be alike. It looks alike, but this is the back portion of the fan. So I have showed you. And the next one is very important part of the fan. That is what? This is once again the one more fans, another part. This is the front portion of the fan. Front portion of the fan where the company's name is written, and it protects the inward wings. Now the very important part is, what is that? This is wings. You see the wings. So this is fiber made wings. You can see three wings are, in sense one wing, in sense the three contents are there, three wings like structure is there, and here this will go to the main portion of the fan here. So what I do now, I will just fix this wings to this fan. Yeah, I have just, see, before fixing the wings, you know, there is one structure like this. You have to remove that. Then what you have to do is the outer protector. What is this called? There is a net-like structure here, fan's neck. This is the back side of it. You can clearly visible here. You can just fix it to this. There is one nail-like structure is here, and here also there is one nail-like structure. So you fix it, then you bring the wings. Then you can fix this to this. You are seeing this? See, now I have, after fixing the net, I am going to fix this with the help. Till it get tight, you do it, or else wings may fall. So now it is very tight. I feel that it is very tight. Yeah, very tight now. Now you see this has struck very properly. I think it has stood there. And now I will go to fix this wings. I will go to fix this wings. Once this thread is finished, there are threads here till that thread finishes. So I will keep on turn this fan's wing. So it is fixed now. It is fixed now. What is there inside? So yeah. So still something is there. We have got this material here, and the cap of the wings. So my work will be completed only once I put this and complete that task. Yeah, here there is one more cap also there. So I think this goes. Okay. So see, this cap will completely goes inside here on the wings, so that, so you have to turn it again and again. I think something wrong in this anyway. This cap you are seeing now, this cap should be from the right to left. From left to right you have to, like this, left to right, you have to turn it, then it get fixed. Once you feel that it is tight, leave it. Then let us go to the next one, where one more thing is there here. So I am going to do one more work, because we have to close the fan and to give a look again beautifully. So there is one more net here, the front net I have already shown you, and there is one small washer is here. This washer, this protects the first one here, the layers are there, so it will cover both the layers of the fan. In this sense, the back side net as well as the front side net, both it will cover now. What I do, just I am trying to fix it now. See, it has fitted very well. It has sat here properly, and only thing is I have to adjust the washer. Yeah, it is now perfectly fit and it has sat nicely. And let us see how it works. Once it get connected to the cable, then automatically once it is plugged in, the air we can enjoy. What air it comes from out, so that we can enjoy. Here once again one more is pending here. That also I will show you. What is that? Cap-like structure. This is the cap-like structure where I am going to put back side of the motor here. Just I will fix it to here. From left to right, you have to left to right. If you turn it, it will fix onto the rotating. It will help as a rotating switch. Rotating switch that I will show you now next. So now what we do? This plug. I have to plug this to get a start of the fan. Just plug it. Which one? Plug it and just I will put it on. Just I will put it on. Now see how it is. We have fitting work is over. Entire thing is over. Only thing is we have to enjoy the air of Preeti fan. So let us sit here comfortably, and there are 0, 1, 2, 3 switches are there. 0, 1, 2, 3 switches are there. Let us go one by one. Now it is 1, the first one, and the second one, and the third one. Oh, what a so comfortable, very comfortable. So we require a fan like this at the summer time. So really a soothing wind. It is very cool. It is very cool. Breeze comes out of this fan. Very nice. Oh, enjoy. Enjoying, really enjoying. Good, good. So this pedestal fan has 12-month warranty. 12-month warranty is there, and the price is very economical. Just 1,500 rupees for this pedestal fan. So everyone can afford this fan. So you can buy and enjoy.